Hello everyone, myself Advocate Gautam Arshwal. Welcome to Dial Easy. In this video, I am going to discuss Madras High Court's recent decision in loan default case. So, what the Madras High Court had held that I am going to discuss with you. So, let's start our discussion without any further delay. So, Madras High Court temporarily restrained actor Vishal from releasing his movies. Why? What happened? This basically he is a South Indian actor. We all know. So in this case, the Madras High Court yesterday restrained Tamil Nadu actor Vishal Krishna Reddy from releasing any films until he creates an interest bearing fixed deposit worth 15 crore rupees in connection with a shoot moved by Laika Productions for the recovery of 21.29 crore rupees from him. Right, a bench of acting Chief Justice D. Raja and Justice D. Bharta Chakravarti dismissed an appeal filed by Vishal challenging a March 2022 order passed by a single judge of the High Court that had directed the actor to create such fixed deposit with a nationalized bank also. So as per the suit, if we talk about the suit, as per the suit in 2019, Vishal had borrowed 21.29 crore rupees from third party. Laika agreed to take over that loan, and in return Vishal was to repay the principal amount to Laika with an interest of 30%, right? However, Laika filed a suit in the High Court claiming Vishal had failed to repay the amount. Vishal's counsel, however, basically in this case told the bench that Laika had undertaken to take over the loan, but it had never actually discharged such loan on his behalf, right? Counsel for Laika in this case told the court that he told that the single judge order had been passed after going through the bank statements of both the parties and ascertaining that Laika had paid 21.29 crore rupees to towards discharging Vishal's loan, and the division bench agreed that the single judge order was in consonance with the law, right? Therefore, the appeal filed by Vishal had no merit. The court said this in this case. So that's all about our discussion. I hope you understood what I have discussed in this case. If you have any suggestion regarding the discussion, let me know in the comment section. But before you go, I want you to like this video and do subscribe this channel, because we always come with some business ideas on this channel, new business ideas, and with legal content also. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.